Nduta wa Kahama na uria ni muciari thukuru-ini wa Highview Thika augite ateti aria marahunjia rumena na ukabira ni marahitiria arutwo aria mamaroraga iguru mari ta kionereria, akiuga ni maraiga muhiano muru kuri arutwo aya
thiini wa mathukuru ni tutige kuhunjia ukabira, ni tutige kuhunjia ati kumenana, ni tuhunjie urumwe thiini wa mathukuru maitu na niguo tubundithie njiaro citu uhoro wa guikara na wendo na urumwe, tondu tungiikara na wendo bururi-ini wa rugama ona mathina tutingiko twinamo maria twinamo ihinda-ini riri. Kioguo mathukuru uria ingiuga thiini wa mathukuru mothe ni ati makorwo na urumwe na matige kuhunjia ukabira. Ona ateti ngumuria atiriri, mwathie mathukuru-ini tigai kuonia ciana ati kwina ukabira, onia ciana urumwe, wendo na kunyitanira.
Actually, it is a very bad example because, like, for example, you've seen how the students entertain themselves here. They are practicing regardless of the communities they are coming from. So at that high level, I think if they can be able to emulate what we are doing even in Highview, it can be really good for the young generation.
Augite o hindi ya igongona ria gukunguira unduire thukuru-ini uyu.
Umuhimu wa hii siku ni kukumbuka culture tofauti kama vile kuna Kamba, kuna Luo, kuna Kikuyu, kuna Kalenjin na kuzienzi kwa wanafunzi wetu. Na riri arutwo merigireirwo guthie rutha rwa mweri wa kanana, aciari makiurio kuigiririka hari kurunga mitugo na migendere ya ciana ciao.
During the holidays, because we are releasing the students back to them. We are just calling them that they continue helping the kids. They help them, especially encouraging them academically and showing them the life skills and what is expected of them. Now that we are even approaching the electioneering period, they should ensure that they call for discipline that will be able to help them in the society.
Ino ni ceceni ya Inoro TV Thika na ninjitagwo Moses Ngigĩa.